According to some sources, the triple camera iPhone is coming this year, but not the way we expected. Samsung accidentally leaked the Galaxy S10 in some One UI user interface, and it looks like iPhones in China keep getting cheaper and cheaper as we speak. I'm Jaime Rivera reporting from a barren press room because everybody's on their way out. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for devices like, for example, the iPad Pro, believe it or not, they're currently on discount in Best Buy for 2 days, $150 off, pretty much making them start like at $550. And that is totally not Apple, so I would highly recommend you follow the link in the description. And speaking of discounts, believe it or not, yesterday we reported about iPhones being discounted in China, but it seems that what Apple is doing officially is not what retailers are doing. On the other end, we see devices that are being discounted $150, $160 in certain retailers, and it seems that Apple is okay with that. Apparently, the company just wants to test the waters and see how people react to these heavy discounts. And let's talk about HTC. For those of you wondering what's been happening with the company's actually focusing a lot on VR. We've seen their booths here for the Vive. Obviously, no mobile. It seems that they are working on mobile, but mainly focused on 5G. And they first want to see what the competition does with that. So we're not expecting anything until the second half of 2019, which I don't think it's the best thing for HTC. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10. Obviously, the working prototype for 5G that we saw in Hawaii is here in CES, but we also hear that the company pretty much leaked the design of the S10 in the One UI recent demos that were shown off, where we see the cutout for the camera, etc. Not exactly sure if this is the final design, but hoping it is. It actually doesn't look bad at all. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with triple camera iPhones and the fact that this apparently is going to be the Max variant that we're going to be getting this year. It's going to be the 11 Max, and then we're going to get dual cameras on the 10R. It seems that all devices are finally going OLED, no longer doing LCD for the most affordable variant, if you could call it that. But let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think Apple should do with the approach of these triple cameras? Because the rumors are that they're going to be mainly for augmented reality and not necessarily to bring wide-angle functionality. I hope that's not the case, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.